A wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, to Commodity TV and the mining news today with Griffin Mining, Endeavour Silver and Maple Gold Mines. Polymetallic producer Griffin Mining put in a strong second quarter ended 30th June this year. Quarterly revenue shot up 154% to $54 million. Gross profit rose to $25.7 million, up 512%. Net income was $10.3 million. Compared to a pandemic-related loss of $3.8 million. Earnings per share went up to 5.88 cents, which already gives us hope for an early dividend in 2022. Ore processing was up 47% with nearly 20,000 tons of zinc mined, up nearly 48%, and 561 tons of lead. In addition, they produced over 144,700 ounces of silver, up 30%, and almost 7,600 ounces gold, which is an increase of over 213%. These are strong figures that make Griffin Mining look very cheap at today's share price. We also like the 20-year chart. Griffin is in a great position, and for us it is only a question of time when the share price will reach new all-time highs. Our initial price target is £2.50 per share. The mine is ESG compliant and accredited as a green mine. It also places the utmost emphasis on safety and clean operations. Griffin Mining is a real gem that we expect to have some dividend potential starting next year. Endeavour Silver announced its financial results for the 3 and 6 months ended 30th June this year. The second quarter is coming up with increased revenue, cash flow and profit. However, operating costs are not yet at a level the company would like them to be. Further optimizations are in the pipeline and a compass will be closed due to depletion of reserves. However, this represents only 5% of the business volume and is therefore variable. They are working full steam ahead on the mine development of Terronera, which we consider much more important. The remaining production platform at Guanaceví and Bolañitos is strong and sustainable and offers excellent opportunities for brownfield exploration. Endeavour Silver entered the second half of the year with a cash balance of $125 million, which is a comfortable cushion given the pending construction decision for Terronera. The feasibility study is expected to be completed this quarter already. Endeavour Silver produced 1.07 million ounces silver, up 80%, 11,166 ounces gold, up 90%. In total, this is about 2 million ounces of silver equivalent on plan. Cash costs were approximately $13 per payable ounce silver, up 369%, that's really a lot, year over year, and AIC were $25.39 per payable ounce of silver, up 70% year over year, net of gold credits. Operating costs were higher than budgeted due to global supply chain constraints, resulting in inflationary pressures, increased labor costs, a stronger Mexican peso, and increased operational development at Guanaceví. Cash flow was 358% higher at $8.7 million. The balance sheet stands solid at $125 million with working capital of nearly $147 million and ATM equity financing of $28.4 million. The only remaining long-term debt is equipment loans of $7.8 million, leaving Endeavour Silver net debt-free. Cubo was successfully sold and an agreement has already been signed to acquire the Bruner Gold Project from Canamax, which represents a strategic acquisition opportunity for an exploration property in secure jurisdiction for $10 million in cash. Terronera is key to their fortunes, and we look forward to a rapid construction decision. Maple Gold Mines announced preliminary 3D modeling results from Phase 2 of a 3-phase review of historical drill data at the past-producing high-grade Telbel underground mine. Joutel is held by a 50-50 joint venture between Maple and Agnico Eagle Mines. The Phase 2 work program included further data review and analysis of approximately 250,000 meters of historical drill results and the creation of a new 3D model for drill target selection. It appears that an enormous treasure trove has been unearthed that was not apparent when the mine was abandoned in 1993. Maple also acquired a 100% option on the Eagle mine, which makes it very interesting for Agnico Eagle as a takeover target. Because one thing is now very clear. Eagle, Telbel and Joutel, as well as Douay, could become a giant mine on the scale of Canadian Malartic. But for that to happen, Agnico has to buy out Maple Gold Mines. Now it's getting really exciting, but the stock exchange did not understand so far. Historic drill intercepts over the old mined out places to 500 meters depth showed 2.2 to over 15 meters of drill core with 2 to 16 grams gold. Intersections below the mined out areas showed 2 meters to 15 meters with 5 to 57 grams of gold, showing increasingly grades to depths. We are excited and give Maple Gold Mines a 1 to 1 Canadian dollar and 50 cents price target on a 12-month view. Please note the now appearing disclaimer. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.